Now she's inside, set to go now, race number 6. Horses out, I'm coming, running by the release, Balkan Lady, Valenzuela, Gorgeous Chelsea, Handsome Prince Amiga, then followed by Cast Regal, Rock My World, and Santino's Best. I'm coming, the leader by about 2 lengths, Balkan Lady in second, Handsome Prince Valenzuela, Cats Regal, Gorgeous Chelsea, Amiga comes next, Rock My World, and Santino's Best is racing in last. Balkan Lady, I'm coming is running by Grella. Then 2 lengths away in third, Valenzuela. Racing in fourth, Handsome Prince. Cats Regal in fifth, Amiga, Gorgeous Chelsea, Rock My World, and Santino's Best. And still I'm coming by the line, Balkan Lady. Valenzuela in third, Cats Regal in fourth. Here comes Handsome Prince. Gorgeous Chelsea, Amiga, Rock My World. Also moving up and a long way back to Santino's Best. We are Valenzuela. I'm coming. Rock My World. Coming close now in third. Valenzuela. I'm coming. Watch out. Here comes Rock My World. Now moving up on the outside. I'm coming. Rock My World is on the outside to grab the leader. It's now Rock My World by about 2 lengths. Entering the finish line is Rock My World. Valenzuela, I'm coming. Gorgeous Chelsea, Amiga.
Okay, bayang karibista, dehado po ang nanalo dito sa ating race number 6 kung saan ito po ang ating unofficial winner, 5A, Rock My World with JPA Guse. Nasa segundo nga, numero 3, Valenzuela, 6A, I'm coming, numero 1, Gorgeous Chelsea.